how to make your Snapchat account private. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what we're going to do is we're going to first open our profile over here. So this is where you're coming from. Click on your profile on the top left, and then over here on the top right, click on your settings option. Then over here, simply scroll down until you see privacy control. You have different settings here that you're going to have to play around with and modify. For example, the contact me. For the contact me, simply select friends only so that only those that you have added in Snapchat can contact you directly with snaps, chats, and other methods. Aside from that, you can also do the same thing with the view my story. Ensure that it is only for your friends. And then you can also do comment settings over here, as you can see. So almost every option over here in our privacy control, you are able to modify and have it only as your friends who are able to see that profile or those contents. So anyway, that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.